resource management plan, we also have a staffing management plan. And in the staffing management plan, we are little bit talking about the type of resources and the quantity of resources, and when these resources should join the project and when these resources should be released from the project, and also from where we will acquire these resources. And this is a staffing management plan. It will also capture the quantity of the resources. For example, if you need one PM, fine, you need one designer, fine, but maybe you will require 2 or 3 developers on the project, or 1 or 2 testers in the project, depending on the project that is you are undertaking. So staffing management plan tells you everything that you need to know about the resources: when the resource will join your project, when it has to leave your project, what is the role of the resource, responsibility of the resource, what are the specific skills that the resource should have. So if it is a solution architect, he should be having more understanding of our IT infrastructure, architecture, the delivery, how delivery happens, and these technicalities. If it is a software developer, then you need to know underlying architecture, software architecture of the technology that your organization is using. If it is already into .NET development, then you need to bring in .NET developer. If it is into Java, then you need to bring in Java developer. So the skill set of the resource also will be mentioned here. The number of staffs required that you will plan, that how many staffs you will require for this project, 1, 2, 3, and when you need it. So this is important, that not everybody in the project will join on the day 1. The development resources might join in later. So when you need the resource is also an important aspect. Is there any question?